Westermans here with a machine which has just arrived. It's a bowed column and boom, but the heads are being sold off separately if required, or with the column and boom. The actual head is a ESAB A6S sub-arc head with flux recovery air system. It has the PEK controls. Cable length on this is approximately 20 meters, and the column and boom again approximately about a 6x6. The ESAB head has got motorized slide in both up and down movement and in and out, and as you can see there, a manual from side to side. Power source with this is the 251 LAF, which is actually shown on the photographs below. More details available on westermans.com on this and others. Like I say, heads being sold separately or as a package with the column boom. Thank you for looking.